Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about iOS 17 update not showing on your iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end. Guys, first of all, go to Apple official website and check your iPhone compatible for iOS 17 update. If update available of for your iPhone, see the next solution. And first of all, open setting application appears on screen. Here you can see open setting application. And guys, and disconnect the VPN if you are using any VPN in your iPhone here. And after that, open general and change region of your iPhone and select region United States, because United States iOS 17 update first. Here you can see appears on screen. Guys, after changing the region of your iPhone, so keep the next solution. After that, scroll down and tap on VPN device management. And guys, delete the VPN or beta profile if any use in your iPhone. If not used, must be check software update is automatic or not, check on. And turn on, must be turn on these options you can see appears on screen. And now go back. And last solution is transfer reset iPhone. Guys, tap on reset. And here guys, tap on reset network setting you can see appears on screen. Guys, any problem inside your iPhone will be solved after reset network setting. Guys, if these methods not work in your iPhone, so must be see the time, because 18 September will be released iOS 17 update, so wait 12 o'clock. Make sure please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.